Welcome to this tutorial. In this video we will see Excel function called Sumproduct. This function is used when you want to find the sum of the products from a given range. In other words, when you want to find the total value from two different columns by multiplying each values from these two columns. Let's see how to use this formula. Now, first we will find the total sales from the given table here by multiplying the price column by quantity column. So the formula will be equal to sum product. Now, first input is array 1. So I'll select my first array, which is price, comma, array 2, which is my quantity. So I'll select the quantity, bracket close, and it will give me the total sales. Similarly, if you want to find the count of any product, let's say apples, how many times the apples is repeated in this table, so we can also use sum product apart from the count function. So let's try that. Sum product here, since we want to find the count, we will use double negative or double minus sign so that the true and false value will convert into 1 and zeros. Sum product normally converts the value into true or false when the condition is match. But since we want count, we will use double negative to convert the trues into ones and false into zeros. So let's select our range or array, which is this. Now I want to count apples, so I will write here apples, apples, and bracket close. So this will give me the count of apples in this range, which is 2. Now let's see, we will find the total sales, but for the kg, where the unit is kg. So here I have one condition where the unit is kg. I need the total sales, so equal to sum product. I will use double negative sign to give my criteria. You can avoid using double negatives as well. You can just open bracket and write your criteria. In both ways it will work. I'll select my range for units, which is equal to kg, bracket close, comma. Now my range to multiply or to give me the sum product, which is price and quantity. This will give me the total sales value for kgs. Now let's find the average value for the unit each. So to find the average, first we will find the total sales for unit each and then dividing the total quantity for unit each. That will give me the average. So let's do it. Equal to sum product. Now my criteria is each for units, so I'll select the range again, units. I'll mention there each, or let's say we can just select this cell G10. That's my criteria range, and then I will select price as one range and quantity as other range, bracket close. This will give the total sales for unit each. Now I will to divide by the total quantity. Now your criteria can be in the start or in the end, doesn't matter, it will still work. So again I need to have the total order quantity for units each. I'll select G10 again, bracket close, comma, and just I want the sum of the order quantity. I'll just select one criteria, sorry, one range, and bracket close. That's it, and enter. So this is the average value for unit each. Now let's find the total sales value for kiwi and where unit is each. So here I have two conditions. So let's select Sumproduct. Here I will use direct the bracket. I'll just open the bracket and not mention double negative before. And let's select the first criteria, which is the first array, which is the product, where equal to kiwi, bracket close, and I will use asterisk or multiplication sign, because the condition here is total sales of kiwi where unit is kg. So both the conditions should match. So I will use the asterisk sign so that both the conditions are match at same time. So equal to kg, bracket close, comma, and the price and quantity, those are my two range to get the total sales, and enter. So it's 390. Let's check another case where you need sales of banana for each as well as kg. So let's see how to do that. Sumproduct. Here my first array will be for the product, which is equal to banana. Now since I want the sales in both each and kg, here I will use the plus sign because I need the sales of banana in each, plus I need the sales of banana in kg. So I'll use the plus sign and I will select first the each and the kg. So I will use the asterisk sign so that I will get the both sale of both in kgs and in each for banana, and then the price and the quantity range to get the total sales. See, the plus is used to add both the each and kg along with banana. So this is my total sales for banana for each as well as kg. Now similarly, now I want to find sales for apples and cherry. So here I need the sales of apple as well as cherry, or you can say sales of apples or cherry together. So equal to Sumproduct. Here now the first condition is apples, plus I need the sale of cherry as well. So I'll select cherry, comma, the price range, comma, the quantity range, bracket close. There's something and bracket close. So this is the sale for apples and cherry. Now similarly need sales of apples, cherry, and but in kg. So same function but a bit different use. So I will select first apples, plus I need sale of cherries, and then in kg, in kg. So I have added one extra bracket for the condition which is apples and cherry. Now I will use asterisk sign. After that I will mention the criteria for kgs. This is for kg, comma, then the sum range, price, comma, the range of quantity. So this is the total sales for apples and cherry for kgs. Now there's another way for, let's try for cherry in kgs and apples in each. So equal to sum product. So one condition. So first condition is cherries in kgs. So I'll open one bracket, one more, and we'll select the cherry plus, no, it's multiply because it's in kg, so we need to use asterisk sign because both the criteria should match, equal to kg, then bracket close, plus this and this, two brackets. Now another condition for apple in each, so asterisk sign and equal to each, bracket close, comma, let's select the price, comma, quantity, bracket close. So this is the result for sales of cherry in kgs and sales of apples in each. So these are some different ways to use Sumproduct to get the desired results. Thank you for watching.